guys? Welcome back to the channel. Josh here and Juan is on his way. Today we'll be installing a centerpiece for his truck, a new piece to make it look nice and clean.
Hello guys, this is Juan and I'm right here with Josh already. We just got off O'Reilly's. We got some brake cleaner. We decided we're going to be cleaning the throttle body, right?
Oh yeah.
Because this thing has 231,000 miles. And I don't think it's ever been cleaned, so we're going to take a look right now. But yeah, man. Hey, man.
Good night. We're going to be cleaning the throttle body, which is located here. And I believe you will only need to take off this screw right here. That way we can loosen this and take it off and see inside.
And I'm drinking a Coke, so I need both hands, so I'm going to go ahead and place the Coke right here on the front bumper support thing, bracket thing.
Very nice.
And then we're going to go ahead and get started and pull this off. By no means are Juan and I professionals. Most definitely not.
It's nice and loose now.
Like your girl.
Actually, what you want to do is just turn the key onto accessory, not turn the engine on. And then you want to just press the gas pedal down. As you can see, I have a big rock pushing it down, holding with the water bottle and two of the rocks to keep it there because it's rather a strong pushback. So that's the trick on how you keep that open. So you want to get this done rather quick. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy in there. So if you're having hesitation problems with your vehicle, when you go to accelerate and it hesitates with the RPMs and then goes,
It might be this.
it might be that you have a really disgusting 1,000 miles.
Yeah, like it's, you know, this is all the fuel, the old fuel and stuff that it's been through here. So if you have a lot of mileage, you might just want to open this and see how much credit.
I mean,
in
yeah,
there.
you can see on the camera. Look at the top of that. Behind the throttle body is just gunked.
Yeah, so
So I'm really
it's
hoping.
not a bad idea, and it doesn't cost but $3 for this can.
Yeah.
We would update you guys on that. It's been about 3 weeks and there is no fumes here. It's nice and dry. It doesn't even smell like gas.
Oh no.
Everything's looking good.
Yep.
If they wanted to clean that, like, really good, we'd have to take the whole engine apart and rebuild it. But we're not doing that today.
We are
That.
I'm already noticing a huge difference when I step on the gas. It doesn't hesitate, not nearly as bad, so it's really good. Definitely keep that clean. It's going to help you in the long run if you're planning on keeping your car for a while.
We're back at Juan's. We're going to be installing the center piece flip open thingy-majigger. The Arizona sun has done its damage to it, cracked it up, and it's not looking too good, so we got the new one here. We're going to be installing
if you
it.
notice, it was when I closed it. That is not cool. You're on the road and
Closed.
it's making noise and a cracked already the sun. And this is broken, so. If I did it, there's no sound on it.
No vibrations. Oh, very nice. There you go. Solid.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
that's
really
even better.
Thing, guys,
We're going to be taking care of on the Mazda is the trunk shocks. They're completely shot and do not work whatsoever.
Check this out, guys.
Yeah, it's very, very heavy
Yeah,
trunk
you definitely need
without
some
the
more.
with the shock.
Here.
You just pop off that clip, which is basically fastened. There you go.
Right there.
And then there's also one on top. Oh,
All right,
so guys, you're doing this, just go ahead and clean it.
Base.
Just fucking clean it.
We fucking clean the engine bay. We clean the
The
throttle.
throttle body.
Just clean it, because if you're gonna stick in something new like this brand new part, we don't want it all crusty, you know. So
Yeah.
And then we're gonna lube this little thing, ball joint right here, for it can be nice and easy.
Nice and lubed.
Look at this, bro. That's gone, bro. Just
Just go ahead and.
I was having trouble with my trunk latch. Every time I'd pull the latch, it would not open the trunk. So what I just came to figure out is that this clip was pushed up like that, and it should not be. It should be pushed down just like that. And once we did that, it enabled the trunk to open correctly. And then once we install these shocks, and I pulled the trunk latch, the trunk should open all by itself. What we're using here is some 3M silicone paste.
the best one.
It's literally the best one. I mean, you can use it on your electrical terminals. It's safe on metal, rubber, and plastics.
We got the new trunk lift supports here. We're gonna go ahead and get them installed.
Should just pop right in. It'll be strong enough.
Just like that. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And that's it. We're out.